Helo, dwi yma yn bwrdd iechyd Cwmtaf Morganog, lle dwi wedi bod yn ymweld â phobl sydd yn deall bod cyfrifoldeb arnyn nhw i wella iechyd, i fod yn fwy ffit, i ystyried sut maen nhw'n mynd i gwella i iechyd meddwl nhw. Mae'r prosiect yma yn un sydd gobeithio yn arwain y ffordd i eraill drwy Gymru.
Fel meddyg teulu, beth fi'n poeni am bod fi'n cyfeirio y cleifion at yr rhestru aros, a maen nhw'n mynd yn wath tra bod nhw'n aros. Wel, mae'r Gwasanaeth Gwella Llesiant yma yn rhoi hyfforddwyr llesiant i'r cleifion i helpu i ddatblygu yr ymdeimlad o hunan reolaeth dros y symptomau a dros ei iechyd hir dymor. Felly maen nhw'n teimlo'n well wrth i leihau'r symptomau a edrych ar ei cyflwr yn holistig.
Talking in a group has helped us all. We've all got different health problems, so we come from different directions, but we've all got the same underlying problem, is that our health problems cause anxiety, and we're all worried about certain things, and we need help and some tools to help us cope with things like this, so to help us live our ordinary lives.
I joined the course in 2018 as a participant. My GP referred me because of endless pains, and I'd attempted suicide because I couldn't deal with the pain anymore. I became a participant, I did the 6 weeks, and by the final week it changed my mindset so much that I thought, I want to do this, I want to give back to people. So I contacted Deborah Moore, and she signed me up as a volunteer. I did the training, which was another couple of weeks. And since then, I've volunteered on a lot of these courses, and I find it really beneficial, both for me and to see the change in people that we deliver to. They come in and they're really, quite down. And by the time they finish, they're full of life, and, it does save lives. It changes lives and it saves lives.